that's my boy, y'all. Shout out to Mac Daddy, Pro Line hand cleaner, keeping them hands clean out there. I've been working on them cars, especially out with them oily motors with them 350s and them 355s. Yeah, y'all need some of that Mac Daddy Pro Line hand cleaner. Everybody who got them Cali converters for sale, I found you a buyer. Here in my bottom right corner. 214-284-0082. He buying them.
Little G-body shuffle.
Little G-body. Hey man, I wish my boy Easy was here with the boot cannons now. Boot cannons! Oh, I think my brother. Hell yeah, it might be enough. Oh, your shit so good too.
Yeah.
Okay, $394.
We getting up there, bro.
I'm talking. Hey, look out, y'all! I see y'all coming up in here fucking with those stone bit, man. Yeah, y'all gonna blow his high.
Let's do it. Nah. You can't.
No, y'all high it up, y'all, for real, man. We coming up.
Did that say King Artune on it?
Nah, that's the band. He used to be with the Banditos.
Okay.
King Artune, it was all just Banditos. Then like some shit happened.
Oh,
and then they changed it up.
Okay.
And then it like he went solo.
Yeah, he's got it right there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's
still,
old King Artune and that's new.
Yeah. They just
Maybe they squashed some shit.
yeah, they squashed it. It was a little beat, they squashed it.
Hell yeah. This thing looks clean as hell, man.
Oh yeah?
I like it a lot.
Yeah, that's my boy.
I like these classic.
That's my boy. Yeah, that's my boy. That's a youngster in there.
Yeah.
I've been knowing him since he couldn't drive.
No shit.
Hell yeah. I need to get on his ass one day.
Got a nice car.
Let me see what he doing first. They probably. Uh-oh. He got that thing. He got that thing running. Yeah, they done took that juice off because last time he almost wrecked. And his mama was up here. And she was scared for her. On TikTok, y'all come check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, y'all. It's going down. That's right, Lookout Racing. There ain't no lagging going on. It's in HD, widescreen. Lookout Racing. Got the El Camino and everything. We got Coco in the building, MD. Tom gone. My boy Mustang been turned up lately. Damn.
That's why Tom been getting his ass.
Let me see.
That's why he been getting his asshole blown out.
What happened?
Cause that bullshit there. That's why Tom been getting his asshole blown out.
Yeah.
I gave him 40 to 20.
For real?
But I ain't tripping. Hey, I don't trip about no blood money.
Yeah.
Cause they get, hey, I don't trip out about that.
Damn.
You seen that?
Yeah.
Tom ain't got no explaining to do.
Yeah.
That's just blood money. That's why Tom been getting his ass popped.
Damn.
See, that's why he been getting popped in his ass too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he always get hit in his ass. He do too. He finally got something.
Yeah.
On some big shit. I ain't
Yeah.
tripping.
Yeah.
On some big shit.
Yeah.
Hey, I ain't on.
Yeah.
What I tell you?
You already told me you ain't. You already know it's coming back because it's blood money.
It's coming back because it's blood motherfucking money.
Yeah.
All the time. Spell that shit. Blood.